Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chinonso Tech. So today I'll be teaching you how to create a foreign TikTok account in Nigeria without using any VPN or any other thing. So this TikTok account will enable you to use the monetization features, which is creator reward program. So let's go on by just go to your TikTok app. We are using the main TikTok, we are using the main TikTok, not the TikTok like. So this is my account, although it's Nigerian account. So let's go on. Just click on your username here in order to log into another account. So click on add account. So this is where you will sign up for the TikTok account. Then you have to listen attentively. This place is very important. So below here, you can see right up here. It says by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy. So this is where you change the account region from Nigeria to another eligible country. So you can see Nigeria here. You can see Nigeria over here. So just have to click on this Nigeria. So this is the list of every country that's eligible to use TikTok. This is the list of every countries. So this is where you change the region from, as you can see, it's ticked on Nigeria already. So it's ticked on Nigeria already. So you just have to choose another eligible country to continue signing up with the account. So mind you, there is few countries that's eligible for the TikTok monetization program, which is US, United States, United Kingdom, France, or Germany. So, so these are the four countries that's eligible for the monetization program. So I preferred United Kingdom. So let's go on with United Kingdom. Just click on United Kingdom. As you can see, the write-up has changed by continuing with an account located in United Kingdom. So you can just go on by clicking on continue with email. Just click on continue with email. So guys, over here you have to enter your email address. Just enter an email address and make sure that the email address haven't been used to create a TikTok account. I have an email address. So this is my email address. So after entering the email address, just click on send code. Then after that, you just have to enter your password. So let's go on to enter a password. So after entering the password, just click on next. So you just have to select your date of birth. So this is another important section. When selecting your date of birth, you must choose date of birth that's above 18 years in order to enable you for the monetization. Your date of birth must be above 18 years old. So let's choose something like this. Okay, so this is a puzzle. I have to check whether you're a human. So just have to save this puzzle. So after this, they will send a code to my email in order to verify my email. So let's wait for the code, or let's go to the email and check for it. So this is the code for it. So just have to copy this code. This is the 6-digit code. Just copy the code. Go back to TikTok to verify. Just paste the code. So after that, everything is done. Then this is the last part of it. Just create a nickname for it. That is your main name. So let's choose something like cars shoes. So guys, I've just created a foreign TikTok account located in United Kingdom. So let's confirm whether if it's foreign TikTok account. Just click on the menu bar here. Then select settings and privacy. So go to account. Then select account information. So guys, as you can see over here, account region is in United Kingdom. Your account region is initially set based on the time and place of registration. So guys, let's also go back and check the creator reward program option. Just click on the menu bar, then select TikTok Studio. Over here, over the monetization section, you can see the creator reward program here. Alright, as you can see, this is the creator reward program dashboard. So these are the requirements. As you can see, they have three requirements in order to join the creator reward program. First is be at least 18 years old, which I reminded you earlier. Then the second one is have at least 10,000 followers. So the last one is have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So after getting all these requirements, you can now join the monetization creator reward program, which is also monetization. So after this, you can now be earning with your video views. So thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.